handle is towards the light source. So on the opposite side, when I am seeing, I will be seeing a image which is something like this. Okay, it won't have this handle that would be visible. So this option A is incorrect. So again, I have a handle on the back, but here it is showing a handle here. So this option again becomes incorrect. Here I am having a handle on the side, but there is no handle which is missing here. So this option again becomes incorrect. Now let me check with the option C. So here is the handle and here is the handle. So this is correct. Now this is the handle and this is the handle. So this is correct. And in this case, the handle is towards the torch. So on the opposite side, I'll see a figure like this, which is correct. So C is the right option. Now from where the shadow is coming is really important to help you understand. I hope, let me zoom this out. Okay. So now you can have a better visualization of what I'm saying. So here, if you look in the handle, right? This is seen here. So this is correct. This handle is on the back side. So when the shadow is formed here, you don't see any handle, right? Because the handle is towards the torch. Now in this case, the cup is sleeping in a sleeping position and the handle is on this side. So there would be a little kind of handle which would be visible, and since it's sleeping, I can see the behind circular shape, and that would be the circular shape that would be visible. Clear? So that's important to understand in this kind of questions. Let's move to another question. Now here there is an experiment that has to be done. Now in this experiment, amount of light that can pass through a mirror, a frosted glass and a plastic sheet. A torch is shown on 3 material. How much light would pass? So from a clear sheet, maximum amount of light would pass. From a frosted sheet, little amount of light would pass. And from the mirror, all of the light would be reflected. So no light would pass. So this would be the only correct option, which is option B as the right answer. We cannot have frosted glass, more amount of light passing than the clear glass. That's incorrect. Here frosted glass again has more light passing through clear glass, again incorrect. And here same amount of light passing through frosted glass and clean plastic, again incorrect. So even if I don't take mirror into account, I can simply compare the remaining 2 and say that these are not the correct match which are explained here. Now clear plastic sheet means you can look through and through. Frosted means it has certain design, so the visibility is not clear, it is translucent. Okay, so the basic thing is with a frosted glass it is translucent, and the mirror actually does not allow the light to pass, but it reflects the light. So those are some of the kind of important problems that we have discussed on the topic of light. Light is a really interesting and an important topic, so cover this carefully. If you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect back. Thanks for joining in.